recording. Yeah, we are recording. I'm going to drop down a little bit here. Is that big truck? No, not that great big one.
No,
Drop down.
Look at the whole awning. That's the whole stuff. Everything on the ground.
Okay, I'm going to fly around here. Yeah, fly a little further. I want to stay away from the power lines here. Back up a little bit. And we're going to go down. Gotta look for the power lines here. $67 feet. Wish I had a zoom on it. 54 feet. $39 feet. And there is the front of the truck with half the bank awning hanging from it. Sucks to be him. Ouch. He tore the whole awning off the Bank Pacific in Ocean Park. Let's see if we can't fly over here a little bit. There's the awning down. Sideways. Well, I guess he should have looked at his truck height before he tried to go underneath the drive-through. Plus, he was going the wrong way as he went through the drive-through, it looks like. I'm not quite sure. I don't know what happened there. Good shot of that. I'm going to drop down one time right here. I'll get a little closer. Anyway, that's part of the